Okie dokie. Hello, friends. So today, we're gonna make this awesome shirt. Look at it go. This guy, LSD Tie-Dye, he is a very, very talented human, and I recommend going and checking out his page. So we're gonna do that for sure. All right, so for to tie-dye, you'll need lots of things. First things first, shirt. So this shirt is 100% cotton, and that's what I like to see. So these dyes that I have, they're fiber reactive dyes, and they only react to natural fibers like cotton and bamboo and things that come out of the earth. Polyester is a man-made fabric. It's made out of like little tiny plastic. So when you try to dye polyester, it just like runs right off of it. So we're gonna dye this one, and I buy these on Jiffy Shirts. JiffyShirts.com. Woo! I ordered them from Jiffy Shirts, and they sure got there in a hurry. And the next thing that we're gonna use is this soda ash. And so what soda ash does is it raises or lowers or something the pH level of the t-shirt, and it makes the dye like super into t-shirt. So what you need 1 cup of this stuff for 1 gallon. So this is done, but not to worry, has more. I get this from Dharma Trading Company. That's where I started buying all my dyes from because it's the best. And I can tell that the people who run the shop are just people like me who just like tie-dye, and that's their business, and that's what they do. Ba-bing, ba-bing. But you can buy soda ash at Walmart. Now that I stopped buying all of it, you can't buy it at Michael's. What's that about? Not the Michael's here in Stanton. Maybe you can buy it somewhere else. But I think you can also buy it at Walmart. The Arm & Hammer sells like washing soda, and I think that's the same thing. But I mean, just look it up. Just look it up, man. Well, I gotta do everything for you. I gotta teach you science. Have you even heard of pH? Do you even know what acid and bases are? Okie dokie. 1 cup of this. And this is a bucket. Put in the bucket. And then I'm gonna go over to the sink. Don't worry, I'm coming back. I'm still here. La, 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 la. I'm still here. Honestly, I don't know how much a gallon is because I think this is a 3-gallon bucket, so I'll just try to do a third of the way. Right? Right, science? Did I do my math right? Try to find a system that works for you. For me, putting everything in little boxes. Little boxes on the hillside. Little boxes, me a ticky-tacky. Little boxes on the hillside. Little boxes, all the same. There's a pink one, and a red one, and a yellow one, and they're all made out of ticky-tacky, and they all look just the same. Woo! That's gonna be expensive. That sounded exactly like the show. Definitely not gonna say the name of the show. Now we're in a whole nother controversy. Alright, so there's gonna, just try to stir it as best you can. Sometimes like these, it's super hard, whatever, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, we're just doing one shirt. Okay. So, this needs to sit for 20 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer. Because they said it's important. Timer. Plenty. No, Pickle, I can't go outside. I'm live. I'm live on the internet. People are dying to know. Actually, you know what? You're right. Start. I guess I could take you outside, but I gotta make all these, like, dyes and stuff. You know what I mean, Pickle? Alright, so for this shirt, we're gonna need the whole rainbow. So, we're gonna need red, orange, yellow, green. So there's only one green in this. And honestly, I think what it is like a turquoise yellow situation. They may not even use green at all. That's what he did last time, but I'll take him out just in case. And I think he's in the black, but I just used the last of my Raven. That's sad. We're gonna have to use a different color, but that's okay. I have this one called Better Black, but it's not better. It's worse. So that sucks. All right. Deep purple. That's what I need. And I think like a royal blue. Let's see what he says. This guy, I think he lives in Thailand. He's super talented. And his wife and his little kids, they're in the video sometimes. Super cute. Oh, wait, hold on. So I recommend going to his channel. Oh, there's the colors. Jet black. Fuchsia. That's what I'm missing. I use dragon fruit. Fuchsia. Red. Orange. Yellow. Turquoise and deep purple. Who called it with the no green? I did. You don't need green. You have yellow and blue. Still need all the other colors. So, I mean, I guess I don't really need to make a new of these yet, because they still have some left. Don't leave these for too long. I use these like in 48 hours, or I throw them away, because then I think that the science stops working and then it doesn't stick to the shirt. I don't know. That's why I don't worry about it getting on the counter and stuff, because you just use a magic eraser and it comes right off. Because this stuff is like so specific to dyeing tie-dye shirts that it's like the counter is not 100% cotton, so you're good. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Okay, so we got 16 minutes left on the timer, so I'm gonna just stop this and go take Pickle outside, and then we'll come back and tie the shirt, and then dye the shirt. And then we gotta wait 24 hours to see if it works out. So tie-dyeing is very time consuming. Thank you for using your time to be with me. Cassie Hoagie crafts for you. Boop. Did that work? Boop. Alright, hold on. I'm wearing gloves. Let me take these off. Dang it. How dare you? Ow! Jimmy Fallon Higgins is my favorite. Get better, Jimmy. Hope you feel better. He's got the COVID, man. Get your booster. Why can't I not push this button? And